Good morning, Sham Stars. Welcome to mathematics class. Today we will do numerator and denominator of a fraction. Numerator and denominator of a fraction. A fraction is a part of whole or a collection. We have studied earlier that when we are talking about a fraction is a part from a whole, that is called a fraction. Like here we are having this picture. In this figure we are having four equal parts, and one is shaded over here, and the fraction will become 1 by 4. In this we are having 1, that is the shaded portion, and the 4, the lower number, it indicates that equal number of parts of a figure or a collection that is divided into. Then it is called as the denominator. The lower number in the fraction is called as denominator. And remember that the denominator can never be 0. And the number 1, that means the shaded portion, the number 1 indicates the numerator. Means those parts are being referred to, which we are referring, that is called as numerator. So the upper portion, upper number, is called as the numerator, and the lower number is called as the denominator. That is, we can write it as numerator divided by denominator is equal to equal parts being referred to divided by total numbers of equal part. Then let us understand it with the help of one example. We are having here this circle, and it is divided into 5 parts. Out of that, 2 are shaded. Now the fraction will become shaded part divided by total part. Then we can also write it as is equal to numerator divided by denominator, where numerator is shaded parts. Shaded parts means 2 shaded parts here we are having, that is 2. Numerator will become 2, and total parts is denominator, means 5 total parts we are having here, that is the denominator will become 5. Next is we are having here 8 boxes, out of which 5 are shaded. That means the fraction will become shaded part divided by total part, or numerator divided by denominator. Then numerator will become the shaded parts, that is 5, and denominator will become total number of parts. Total number of parts are 8. So fraction will become 5 by 8. In the next we are having here the boxes, and there are 10 boxes, out of which 6 are colored, and the fraction will become shaded part divided by total parts, that is equal to numerator divided by denominator, that is equal to 6, that is shaded parts, and 10 denominator, total parts. In activity 3 we are having question number 1, complete the table. Figure is given, shaded parts, that is numerator, total parts, that is denominator, fraction of shaded parts. Now first is, here we are having 10 total boxes, out of which 7 are colored, means shaded part is 7, that is numerator, then total 10 parts, the fraction will become 7 by 10. In second figure we are having 1 shaded part, and out of total 4 parts, that is 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. So the fraction will become 1 by 4. Next we are having 9 square boxes, and 9 are colored. So total shaded part is 9, that is numerator, and total parts is also 9. Then that means numerator is also 9 and denominator is also 9. So the fraction will become 9 by 9. Next we are having balls. 14 balls are there total, and 5 are colored out of that. That means the shaded part is, numerator is 5 and denominator is 14 total parts. That means the fraction will become 5 by 14. In the last we are having a circle is divided into 8 parts, out of which 2 are shaded. That means the shaded part, numerator is 2 and the denominator is 8. So the fraction will become 2 by 8. In question number 2, write the correct fraction in each case. A part is Aditya has 15 pens, out of which 8 are blue. The fraction of pens which are blue is. We have to tell the fraction of pens which are blue. So first of all, what we will do? We will write total number of pens, that is equal to 15. Then number of blue pens, that is equal to 8. How we will write the fraction now? Fraction, as we know, is equal to numerator divided by denominator. Now how can we choose that which one is the numerator and which one is denominator? That means what they ask from us, that we have to tell the fraction of pens which are blue. Means we have to tell the fraction of blue pens, that is equal to blue pens divided by total number of pens. So the fraction will become 8 by 15. Next is B part. We are having Uday completed 4 out of 9 sums in maths. The fraction of sums not completed is. Now here see, they asked from us that fraction of the sums that are not completed. Means how many completed? 4 sums completed out of 9. That means the number of not completed sums will be equal to 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. So how we will write? Total number of sums is equal to 9. Then number of sums completed is equal to 4. Then number of sums not completed, that is equal to 9 minus 4, that is equal to 5. So fraction will be equal to sums not completed divided by total sums, that is equal to numerator divided by denominator. So sums not completed is equal to 5 and total number of sums is 9. So the fraction will become 5 by 9. C part is Karan colored 7 out of 8 candles in the picture. The fraction of candles which were colored is. We have to find the fraction of colored candles. That is equal to total number of candles is equal to 8. Number of candles colored is equal to 7. Then fraction will become colored candles divided by total candles. So how many colored candles are there? 7 and total candles 8. So you can draw the candles also here to show the fraction. D part is Vidya filled 5 glasses with water out of a total of 11 glasses. The fraction of glasses which were filled is. We have to tell the fraction of filled glasses. That means total number of glasses is 11. Glasses filled with water is equal to 5. Then fraction will become glasses filled divided by total glasses, that is equal to 5 by 11. 5 is the glasses filled and 11 is the total number of glasses. Now we are having question number 3. Write a fraction with 9 as the numerator and 16 as the denominator. Here what is given, that numerator is 9 and denominator is 16. So we will write numerator is equal to 9, denominator is equal to 16, and then the fraction will become numerator divided by denominator, that is equal to 9 by 16. So the fraction with 9 as numerator and 16 as denominator is 9 upon 16. Complete question number 1 in book and question number 2 and 3 in notebook of activity 3. Tomorrow we will do more about fractions and comparison of fractions. Thank you, Shamstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on Google Classroom. Thank you and have a nice day.